Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing a little unboxing video of First Lucifer, and that's what I think it's called. But yeah, here's the back, the parts. I actually do have these. I ordered another wheel, so yeah. I also have another one of these coming, and also have one of these. So yeah, the full parts are right here. So let's get into this. Try not to break this one. Oh, jeez. Yeah, that's it. Oh. Okay. Nothing else. Okay. That's cool. Just a little bit. Amazing. Okay. Ooh, yeah. That's really cool. I'm gonna put the stickers on, though, after. Ooh. There we go. Here's the full combo right here. So that's gonna be cool right there. For right now, for the combo, I'm gonna give it till I'll get the wheel. Will be and I'll be getting another one of these tomorrow. So it's gonna be this one. Till I get it, I'm gonna have it like that. For right now, until I get that extra wheel. So I can give my Glade Runner Rock. I have two of them, so. Wow. Okay. First it in my hands. Yay. Let's get the stickers on. But first, I'm gonna weigh it. All these stickers. Ah, no. Oh, God, no. No, that's a lot of stickers. No. God damn. Oh, God. 13, 14, oh, God. 14, no, 15 stickers. God damn. And I did this after this one, so yeah. Let me weigh it without stickers. That's pretty cool right here, though. Let's get this. Okay, here's this, and that is 3 grams, like normal. 6 grams. 11 grams. 30 grams. And 8 grams. So let's see how much this weighs. It'll weigh more or less than the last one. $58 grams in total. So let's me put this sticker on, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, sorry about that. It took me a while to do, but yeah, here's the stickers. I'll put this combo together for right now till I get the right parts. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, here's all the bays and Super King bays I have. There's 10 in total. And I just looked at these two. These two are exactly the same besides this one little piece right there. Actually, what is it? Actually, no, it's exactly the same. Actually, no, it's a wee bit different, but still. Actually, no, it is the exact same. Really? I just noticed this now. They're cheating us. They said, oh, this is the first one. They made this one. Look at the same. If you guys notice. Let me show you something. Okay, now look at this. And let me, if I can find it, or if not, let me look for that. Okay, look at these two. Exactly the same. Besides this part up here, maybe. Yeah, just a very little difference. Very little difference between these two. Same for this, if it's like that. But yeah, if you guys like this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.